Hey guys, before you take the test today, there's just one more thing that I want to go over with you guys. It's a concept that I think you guys can handle. It's going to be on your test. We just didn't have enough time to go over it in class. So, hopefully you're going to watch this video before you take the test like I asked you to. Now, if we look at these types of situations where we have a bunch of squares and we don't know the distances and things like that, and we look at this situation and we want to figure out an expression that represents the length of the south side of our field. So that would be this length right here. Okay? All we have to do, guys, and I'm going to zoom in, is just add those lengths together. So we have this length plus this length plus this length. Those expressions represent numbers. So all we would do is 5x plus 2 plus x squared minus 9 plus x squared minus 7x plus 12. And then we would combine our like terms. Okay, we have an x squared and an x squared. That would be 2x squared. We have a 5x and a minus 7x, so that would make minus 2x. Then the final numbers we have are positive 2 minus 9, which is negative 7, plus 12, which would make positive 5. So that would be our expression. Okay? Now, what if we wanted to know the area? Okay, so let's look at this same picture. I'm going to zoom back out. Okay. Let's say I wanted to find the area of just the squash. The area of the squash. Well, if I zoom in on that, okay, what do we have? We have 4x times x. Well, what's 4x times x? It would be 4x squared. Okay. Now, if I wanted to find the area of the pumpkins, well, the area of the pumpkins, and we'll use orange for pumpkins. How would I find that? Well, I would multiply 5x minus 2 times 5x plus 2. Right? Oops. Whoopsie. There we go. So let me zoom out. Okay, and I'm going to do that kind of, let me see if I can get something blocked out. Let me see if I can do this. Let's see if this works. No. Alright, so 5x minus 2 times 5x plus 2. So let's do that. Let me see if I can make some space. I'll do that over here. So 5x, whoops. Whoopsie. 5x minus 2 times 5x plus 2. Okay? And you should know how to do this because you've been practicing it to get ready for the test. So 5x times 5x would be 25x squared. 5x times 2 would be positive 10x. Negative 2 times 5x would make negative 10x, which I like to line them up if they're like terms. And then negative 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Well, guys, when we look at these like terms right here, positive 10 and negative 10 would cross out. So my answer would be 25x squared minus 4. That would be the area. Okay? Now, what if I wanted to find the perimeter, okay, of the pumpkins? The perimeter of the pumpkins, okay? Well, the perimeter, guys, is the distance around. Okay. So, guys, I don't know the length here, and I don't know the length here. But I know that this length and this length are copied. So if that's 5x minus 2, that means that's 5x minus 2. If that's 5x plus 2, that means that length is 5x plus 2. So if I wanted to find the perimeter, I would just add this length, this length, this length, and this length together. Okay? So you're going to have some problems on your quiz that are like that. I'm sorry, on your test. Okay? The last two problems are going to be a lot like these. So hopefully that will give you a little bit of help. All right? Man, good luck today, and I'll see you guys in class.